in standard 10th, subject science and technology, part 1, in the chapter heat. The last numerical example in the exercise is a calorimeter has mass 100 gram and specific heat 0.1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. It contains 250 gram of liquid at 30 degrees Celsius having specific heat of 0.4 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. If we drop a piece of ice of mass 10 gram at 0 degree Celsius, what will be the temperature of the mixture? In this numerical example, there is a twist because all other values or other units are in series system, but here in case of this specific heat capacity, it is expressed in SI system. First of all, we have to convert these into series system like this. Convert all the units from SI system to series system. So specific heat of calorimeter will be like this. Kilocalorie is only replaced by calorie because kilo means 1000 and kilogram means 1000 grams. 1000 divided by 1000 will be cancelled. Therefore 0.1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Likewise, again another value is also converted like this. Then the total information given can be summarized as mass of the calorimeter, that is M1 100 gram, specific heat of calorimeter C1 is equal to 0.1 calorie per gram degree Celsius, mass of the liquid, that is M2 250 grams, specific heat of liquid C2 will be 0.4 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Then initial temperature of the calorimeter and liquid will be 30 degrees Celsius. Final temperature is to be calculated. Initial temperature of ice will be 0 degrees Celsius and latent heat of fusion of ice will be 80 calories per gram. In this numerical example, first of all we have to consider that heat lost by the hot objects and heat gained by the cold object, that means the ice. We have to compare this and then we will be able to find out the final temperature. Therefore, first of all we will consider about the heat lost by the calorimeter. It will be considered as Q1 is equal to M1 into C1 into 30 minus T. Therefore, Q1 is equal to M1 is 100 into specific heat capacity will be 0.1 into 30 minus T, and all the units will be calculated like this: calorie gram into calorie per gram degree Celsius into degree Celsius. Degree Celsius, gram will be cancelled and finally we will get calorie. Therefore, this total calculation will be 10 into 30 minus T calorie. Q1 will be like this. This will be the equation number 1. Then heat lost by the liquid, it will be considered as Q2. Then it will be M2 into C2 into change in temperature, that is delta T, 30 minus T. Now Q2 is equal to M2 250 into C2 will be 0.4 into 30 minus T, and their units will be like this: gram into calorie per gram degree Celsius into degree Celsius. Again this degree Celsius from numerator denominator, gram from numerator denominator will be cancelled. Then we will get multiplication of this will be 100 30 minus T calorie. This will be equation number 2. Then we will go further, in which we will obtain the heat gained by the ice. Heat gained by the ice, that is Q3 is equal to, in this calculation first of all we have to consider the melting of the ice. That means mass of the ice into latent heat of fusion of ice. This much amount of heat is first gained by ice, and then from 0 degree Celsius to final temperature changes, and for that purpose we have to consider mass of the ice into specific heat capacity of ice, that means specific heat capacity of water, into T minus 0, because from 0 to T temperature changes. For this calculation now we are considering mass of the ice is 10 grams into specific heat of fusion of ice is 80 calorie. Then next is mass of the ice is 10 grams into specific heat capacity 1 into T degree Celsius. This much amount of calorie heat will be accepted. Therefore Q3 will be 800 plus 10T calorie. This will be equation number 3. Here we will get that heat gained by the ice is equal to heat lost by the calorimeter plus heat lost by the liquid. Now the values will be like this: 800 plus 10T is equal to 300 minus 10T plus 3000 minus 100T likewise. Once these values are obtained, then mere work is all the values will be taken to the LHS. That means 10T plus 10T plus 100T is equal to 300 plus 3000 plus minus 800, and then we will get 120T is equal to 2500. Then T will be 2500 divided by 120. So this value will be 20.83 degree Celsius. Final temperature of tent will be like this. Thank you for watching the video.